Welcome to your daily dose of the latest in tech and finance, where we break down the top stories that matter most to you. Let's dive into today's headlines and get you up to speed. The British business bank's $25 million investment in Kraken marks a significant commitment to supporting innovative technology firms within the energy sector. This largest ever direct investment into a private company underscores the government's focus on fostering growth in renewable energy solutions, especially as the UK transitions towards more sustainable energy sources. By backing Kraken, the bank not only enhances its portfolio, but also positions itself as a key player in the evolving landscape of energy technology. The article highlights Vates VMS as a noteworthy open-source alternative to VMware amid the turmoil following Broadcom's acquisition of the company. This transition could be significant for businesses seeking stability and flexibility in their virtualization solutions, as more organizations look to mitigate risks associated with major acquisitions. Vates VMS presents a timely option that aligns with the growing demand for open-source technology. The introduction of exclusive articles for Sifted Pro subscribers signifies a strategic move to enhance content value in the competitive fintech journalism landscape. By offering premium insights, Sifted aims to attract industry professionals seeking in-depth analysis, which could bolster its revenue model and establish itself as a go-to source for fintech intelligence. This shift also reflects broader trends in media, where subscription-based access is increasingly favored over traditional ad revenue streams. The developments in global financial markets as of February 17, 2026, underscore the intricate interplay between corporate performance, economic indicators, and central bank communications. The resilience observed in equity markets, alongside the fluctuations in bond yields and commodity prices, reflects investor sentiment and the broader economic landscape. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for stakeholders navigating potential investment opportunities and risks in an evolving market environment. The launch of WhisperFlow's Android app marks a significant step in the company's strategy to expand its user base by tapping into the vast Android market. Following its initial releases on Mac, Windows, and iOS, this move highlights the increasing demand for AI-powered dictation tools, which can streamline workflows and enhance productivity for users across various platforms. The timing of this launch could position WhisperFlow favorably in the competitive landscape of voice recognition technologies. Samsung's $2,199 Galaxy Z Trifold is positioned as a versatile device, excelling in smartphone functions and entertainment, but struggling as a tablet or laptop replacement. This distinction is critical as consumers increasingly seek multifunctional devices, especially in a market saturated with options. The device's unpredictability raises questions about its reliability, which could impact its adoption among potential users looking for seamless integration in their tech ecosystem. Thanks for joining me today for our Tech and Finance Roundup. If you enjoyed the insights, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe so you never miss an update. Take care and see you next time.